If you need to request a refund on Epic Games, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Now, even if you have not made a purchase yet, this is exactly where your refund information would appear once you do. The process is simple, but there are a few important rules to keep in mind so you know whether your purchase is eligible. First, open the Epic Games website or launch the Epic Games launcher and sign into your account. Make sure you are using the same account that was used to buy the game, because refund options only show up for the correct purchase history. Once you are signed in, go to your account area and look for transactions. This is where Epic lists your recent purchases, orders, and eligible content. If you had made a purchase, the game would be shown right here in this section. From there, select the game you want to refund. After selecting it, look for the Request Refund option and click it. Epic will then guide you through the refund request flow. Before you submit anything, check the refund policy carefully. Self-service refunds are only available within 14 days of purchase, and the game must have been played for less than 2 hours. That means even if you bought the game recently, it may not qualify if you have played too long. If everything meets the requirements, you can continue and submit the request. After that, just follow the on-screen prompts and wait for confirmation. If the refund is approved, the money is usually returned through the original payment method, depending on how the purchase was made. If you do not see a refund button, that usually means the purchase is not eligible, or you may be looking at the wrong account. In that case, double-check your sign-in details, the purchase date, and the playtime for that game. This is one of those situations where the refund policy matters a lot, so it is always smart to review the eligibility rules before you try. And that is how you request a refund in Epic Games. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.